In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook leads to Google Sheets using Zapier. Start by opening your browser and going to the Zapier website. Once you're inside, sign into your account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Next, click on Create Zap. This is where you build your automation. After that, in the Trigger section, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. Then choose the event New Lead. Now click Connect Account and log into your Facebook account. Give Zapier permission to access your Facebook page and lead forms. After connecting, select the correct page and the lead form you are using. Now move to the Action section. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Then choose the action Create Spreadsheet row. Click Connect Account and sign into your Google account. Allow access and continue. Next, select the Google Sheet you already created and choose the correct worksheet where your leads will be stored. After that, you will see the field mapping screen. Here you match Facebook lead fields like name, email, and phone number to the correct columns in your Google Sheet. Once everything is mapped, click Test Step to make sure the data is being sent correctly. Finally, click Publish or turn on Zap to activate the automation. From now on, every new Facebook lead will automatically appear in your Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Facebook leads to Google Sheets using Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.